So in data science, the main part or the major part we discuss that is called machine learning. Okay. The major part or the first step in the data science is to learn about machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning in the simplest way is simply called the automation. Means when you want to automate the task, that is what machine learning is all about in the simplest way, right? Although we have three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Okay, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. A quick understanding, a quick understanding of all these three. Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Okay, reinforcement. Now, what is supervised? Simple. When data is labeled, means you already know what type of data it is. Supervised, when data is not labeled. And the reinforcement is learning from the error. Learning from error. Okay. Now, one by one, let's discuss about the supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Okay. So what I will do, I will, let's take one here. Fine. Supervised. Now, to understand this, all the three, all majorly two, okay, reinforcement we will talk about later. First of all, we will understand supervised and unsupervised. Now, first of all, just tell me one thing, that how many of you uh, had visited zoo? How many of you visited zoo? Okay, good, good. So those who are visited, that's good, right? Those who are not, no issues. We will understand. Okay. Although you are not going to zoo. Yeah, good, 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 good. Okay. Now, listen very carefully about this example. Okay. If you relate with this example, you will understand the supervised and unsupervised clearly. Very simple. Let's say, for example, you have to visit zoo with a kid, a small kid. Okay. Let's just 3 or 4 years old. And kid is visiting the first time. Okay. Kid is visiting first time. Now, when kid enters the zoo, he saw three different animals. Okay. Let's say he saw zebra, horse, and let's say donkey. Okay. Now see, zebra has 4 legs, horse has 4 legs, donkey has 4 legs. All three has tail. All three has almost similar structure of body, similar structure of face, mouth. Correct? Yes or no? Correct? Now, how you are going to distinguish between zebra, horse, and donkey so that kid understand it correctly, perfectly? How can you do that? What are the characteristics you told about zebra? Good. The stripes. That is the best distinguishing way of zebra from other two. That is from horse and donkey. Correct. Correct. Very good. Okay. So let's say zebra is distinguished. Distinguished. Okay. So I can say to the kid that if you saw any animal, okay, which has black and white stripe, correct, which has black and white stripe, okay, has four leg, a short tail, right, short in you can say height also, okay, that is a zebra. Now coming to the horse, horse is tallest among all three, right? Horse is tallest from zebra, horse is tallest from donkey as well, correct, right? And voice of horse is also different. Voice of horse is also different, right? While the voice of donkey is totally different. Donkey is smallest from zebra and horse. Among three, donkey is the smallest, correct? And generally, donkey has, I think, if I'm not wrong, some sort of grayish color, right? Some gray sort of color most of the time. But horse having quite different colors. So what we are saying here, see, so here we have pattern, we have voice, we have body, uh, we have what else? Color. Let's say these are the data points by which I can distinguish my animals. When I'm saying that if it is black and white, pattern is black and white, horse having solid pattern, and donkey is gray. Okay, donkey is gray and it's also solid. Voice low, horse high, and donkey is also low. Body medium, horse uh, tallest, and donkey is smallest. Color black and white, horse multiple color, black, white, gray, brown, lots of color. Donkey only one color, gray. So what I had done here, I have curated my data when all of the data points are labeled. Means I know the each and every data here. Correct? Yes or no? Getting my point, everyone? Right. The voice of donkey is not low. Bihi, I have never heard the voice of donkey. Okay, so I'm just assuming. I'm just assuming it. So when we are saying that we have data which is already labeled, that comes under the supervised part. Supervised machine learning clear, everyone? Yes or no? Okay. Now go to the unsupervised. Unsupervised. Same example. Okay. You are visiting zoo with a kid. Not things change here. Okay. How? Again, the three types of animal: zebra, horse, and donkey. So what we are doing here, the kid don't know what is zebra, what is horse, and what is donkey. Okay. So what kid is doing? Kid is first gathering all kind of animals. Let's say all the black and white stripes animal, the kid make a group of it. Then all the tallest of them, kid make a group of it. And then smallest make a group of it. And after that, he is putting the label here. Let's say then he is saying that, okay, this is type 1 animal. This is type 2 animal. And this is type 3 animal. Okay. So first what we do, we have data, we group them, and then do the labeling. This is what we call as unsupervised machine learning. Okay. Anyone, any question in this part? Unsupervised. And the last is reinforcement. Reinforcement. What reinforcement say? Reinforcement say learning from the surrounding. Learning from the surrounding. Okay. Now, again, the same thing. Again, the same thing. Kid is present in the zoo. Okay. So whatever he is viewing right now, whatever he is watching, okay, he is learning from that part. Kid watch first time he saw the let's say he saw kangaroo. Okay. Then he saw a chimp. Then he saw a monkey. And these three animals are totally different. All they comes from same family. Okay. But everyone is different. Kangaroo is different, chimp is different, monkey is different. So what he is doing here, he is understanding from its surrounding how to distinguish between kangaroo, how to distinguish between chimp, and how to distinguish between monkey. That is what reinforcement learning is all about. Clear? Anyone have any question? Supervised, unsupervised? reinforcement,